I have downgraded Google Pixel XL from Android 10 to Android 9 successfully. And I was thinking, if I want to downgrade from Android 10 to Android 8.1 Oreo directly, will it be done or not? Okay, I will be doing it in today's video. So if you want to downgrade your Google Pixel XL from Android 10 to Android 8.1 without going back to Android 9, then follow my procedure. First thing first, check your Google Pixel XL battery should be charged around 70 to 80%. A data cable and a computer will be required for this procedure. In case if you are using a laptop, then to check the battery of laptop. If you have a data on Google Pixel XL and you want to get it back, then move your data to computer hard drive. This procedure will format Google Pixel XL and all the data will be wiped out. Now go to the settings of Google Pixel XL, then go to the users and accounts and go to the Google account. Sync it first, and then after sync, remove your Google account to avoid getting Google ID verification later after downgrading. Go to settings again, then go to about phone, then scroll down and tap the build number for 7 times to turn on the developer options. Now go back to settings, then tap on system, then tap on advanced, then tap on developer options and check it must be turned on. Then enable the OEM unlocking by tapping on it, then tap on enable. This step of process must be done for unlocking the bootloader. Without this step, the flashing will get an error and will not start. First, download the Google USB driver for Windows. Click here to download the Google USB driver, then put a check sign on I have read and agree with terms. Then click download the Google USB driver and download will start. Make a new folder and save all the files there. Now go to the factory images site, scroll down and click acknowledge. Other page will get open. Then scroll down and here click on the SDK Platform Tools, whatever the version is available. On next page, scroll down and click on the Download SDK Platform Tools for Windows. Then put a check sign on I have read and agree, and then click on the Download Android SDK Platform Tools for Windows and download will start. Now go back to previous stock image page. Read the instruction if you want. Otherwise, scroll down and look for the Pixel XL stock images section. Scroll down and look for the last release of Android 8.1 according to the device variant that you have. Click the link and download will get start. Wait to complete the download now. And when all the downloading complete, go to the downloaded folder and unzip all 3 files that are the latest USB driver file, the platform tools file and the stock image file. Now go to the USB driver page and check how to install USB driver by clicking here. Next page will show all the instructions regarding installing USB driver on Windows 10, Windows 8.1 and Windows 7. Read instruction carefully and follow it accordingly. I will follow the Windows 7 instruction because using Windows 7 64-bit. First, installing the USB driver on Windows. The device Pixel XL must be turned on. Connect the cable with device and check the other side of cable must be connected with computer. Windows will start installing driver but soon will show no driver found. Right click on my computer icon, then left click on manage, then left click on device manager and look for the other devices with the next window. You will see Pixel XL. Right click on it and left click on update driver software. Then left click on browse my computer in next window. Then left click on browse and locate the downloaded folder and look for the latest USB driver file which was unzipped before. Then select the USB driver folder and left click on OK. Then left click on Next. Then left click on Install and driver will start installing. Here we go. Finally, the USB driver is installed properly. Close the Manage window and disconnect the cable from device. Now go back to the downloaded folder and open Platform Tools folder and copy everything from there. Go back to the folder, then open the unzip firmware folder and paste every files there. Boot the device into fast boot mode. For that, device must be power off. Then hold the device in hands and press and hold the volume down key first. Then press and hold the power key until the fast boot screen appear and then release both keys. You will see device bootloader is locked and we need to unlock the bootloader first. So connect the cable with device and check the other side of cable must be connected with computer. As soon device get connected with computer, Windows will start installing drivers. And when done, then go back to the downloaded and unzip firmware folder where we paste all the platform tool files. Drag the mouse arrow to the empty side of folder, then press and hold the shift key on keyboard, then right click, then release shift key. Small window will get open. Now go to open command window here and left click on it and command window will appear on the screen. Now type the command fast boot space devices and press enter key on keyboard. Will show some numbers, that is the serial number of the device and it is connected in fast boot. It means that device is connected properly. Now type fast boot space flashing space unlock and press enter key. Device will prompt you about unlock bootloader with warning. So press the volume up key for once to select yes, then press power key once to confirm and device will reboot into fast boot mode. And this time we will see device is unlocked, means bootloader got unlocked now. Now type the file name, that is flash all, in command window and press enter key so flashing will get started. The device will get reboot 1 or 2 times. To avoid interruption during flashing, do not click anything, do not open anything on Windows, do not plug in any USB drive or something else related with USB port. Just wait. Device will reboot automatically when flashing get completed and will start booting into stock Android 8.1 Oreo. Disconnect the cable from device and press any key to close the command window. Complete the setup screen and finally we have the Android 8.1 Oreo back on Google Pixel XL after we were having Android 10. Now power off the device. Boot the device back into fast boot mode for locking the bootloader because still the bootloader is unlocked, which need to be relocked. Now connect the cable with device again. Now once again go back to the unzip firmware folder and same open the command window here just like the way we opened it before. Now type fast boot space devices and the numbers will appear again. It means that we are good to go. Again type fast boot space flashing space lock and press enter key. Device will prompt lock bootloader this time. So press the volume up key once to select yes and then press power key once for confirming it and device will get reboot back into fast boot mode. Disconnect the cable from device. Now this time device will show device is locked. Screen must show start and then press power key once and device will reboot, will start booting back into stock Android 8.1 Oreo. Device will get a reset every time when unlocking or relocking the bootloader of the Pixel XL. Complete the setup screen once again now. If you have connected your Wi-Fi during setup screen, or if your SIM data is already on, then you are good to go and simply log in your Google account and start installing apps from Play Store. Device is ready for using on Android Oreo 8.1, but we need to turn off the OEM unlocking toggle must. So if your SIM data is on already, then good. Otherwise, connect the Wi-Fi. If you are in Wi-Fi zone, then go to System, then to About Phone. Scroll down, tap the build number for 7 times to turn on the developer options. Go back and there you will see developer options. Tap on it. Here you're gonna see the OEM unlocking toggle is not prominent and also not be working. Simply turn off the developer options and now OEM unlocking toggle will get prominent. Now turn on the developer option again and turn off the OEM unlocking toggle by tapping on it. Turn off the developer options to make the device fully back to stock Android Oreo. This was the procedure of downgrading Pixel XL from Android 10 to Android Oreo, which went successfully. Thank you for watching. Take a good care. See you again. Till then, goodbye.